Welcome to Jethro's Garage. I hope y'all are having a great week. I certainly am. It's a little warm out, but hey, that's okay. Today we're here to talk to you about fender covers. I'm not sure. There's a lot of definitions for that phrase, but we're talking about the ones to protect your fenders when you're working on a car. And today we've got the Fender Gripper. It's a 22 by 34 and it's $36.90 from Amazon. Y'all come on up here and let's take a better look at this. So this is one of those things. It's fairly self-explanatory. I will tell you that I purchased this after watching a video on another channel of a friend of mine, Jeff's Garage Adventures. He talked about his, and he'd always had a Chevrolet one, as a placemat for his videos, and he finally did a video on it, and well, I had to go get me a Ford one. I'm a Ford guy. I appreciate all hot rods, whatever badge they carry, but I'm a Ford guy. So I'll tell you a little bit about this. It's automotive grade, anti-slip, chemical resistant PVC foam material. It's available in a variety of officially licensed automotive logo. You see it's got the little Ford thing down here. It says it's the ultimate fender cover. So this one's extra long. Oh, you can buy an extra long 45 by 34, and you can buy a jumbo that's 45 by 22. This is neither of those. Let's turn it around. You can also buy trunk mats, front end covers, and you can buy them in a variety of different things. For all you Mustang guys, Mopar guys, Corvette and Chevrolet guys, you have one too. They've got, it says it's 100% washable, 1 year warranty. Foam material helps minimize potential chips, scratches, and dents. Resists most petroleum-based chemicals like motor oil, brake cleaner, and antifreeze. I don't want to test out the brake cleaner. How about you? Shear grab reinforced foam material holds tools and automotive components in place. So let's take this thing out and let's look at her. I have had it out. I haven't put it into use yet. I'm gonna bring you back out and we're gonna open it up. So I'm gonna let this hang a little bit. It's a pretty decent size piece. Let y'all take it in all its glory. Yeah, it looks good in the camera. I had to step back and see. So it's fairly thick. It looks like it's it's close to a 1/4 inch thick. Has a good slightly tacky texture. Let's see. Tools don't necessarily slide on it easy. Let's try something. Yeah, it holds them a decent amount. It's not super great. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this over here and I'm going to put it on the fender of my Fairlane, and we're going to see what we look like. So I have no intent to throw tools around on my car. It says it helps, but it didn't say it prevents it, okay? This would be where someone is being careful and has an accident, as opposed to abusing and just throwing stuff out there. If you want something like that, I've got some thick silicone mats that would be more likely to protect it. But this is just a regular fender cover. Now in another video, maybe later on, I'm going to try some other products out to protect your paint and all that, and we'll go over them. But in the meantime, these are pretty decent. Now, I'm probably going to use this in a different circumstance. I have some other stuff I use to protect fenders, but I bought the nice pretty Ford logo because I wanted to use it. Hopefully before winter sets in, I'm going to have a new room and everything set up so I can do videos in it, and it's more, you know, a little more photogenic, if I may. But until then, this is probably going to go back up in the box, but it is nice. I think I'll buy me another one and see how they do. Maybe one that's no big, you know, nothing special about it. Maybe I'll buy a Chevrolet. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, it's pretty nice. Everything stays put. It's not a bad little deal. I'll probably see about using this a little more later. So that was just a little short video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. The Fender Gripper is a pretty decent deal. You know, if you don't have something protecting your cars, your customers' cars, what have you, something's wrong. You need something up there. And not like my garage where things can get damaged too easy. That's why I don't work on customer stuff. I only work on my stuff because, well, anyway, it's no excuse. But hey, this video is going to be a little short, so at the end here, I'm going to add a little bit of footage from my vacation. I hope y'all enjoy it. Had a great time, visited the Northeast. I was a truck driver in my younger years, and I still hold a CDL, but you know, I drive a dump truck every now and then, stuff like that. Haven't been over the road in quite a while, since before I went active duty Army. I was a truck driver in the Army too. But anyway, but in all that time, I didn't visit all 50 states. And some of the states that I didn't visit were New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine. I visited everything in the Northeast except for those. And so I got to visit those this time. And it's a very beautiful country up there. And if you stay up away from the cities, the traffic isn't bad. It's just nice. Now you get closer to the coast and the traffic begins to be horrible. It's just horrible. We wasted a lot of time on the road. Wasted's the wrong word. It took us forever to get through coming back home, traveling 995, because we were wanting to hit some other stuff along the coast. It took us forever, and it was like that when I was driving a truck. Once you get from Boston south, it can be the going is kind of rough, especially if you take off at the wrong time of day. But y'all enjoyed the video. I appreciate it. Please give me a like. If you don't mind, follow me if you're not already, and share me with your friends. Y'all have a blessed week. Y'all take care of each other, and I'll see y'all in the next video.